In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Leonardo AI in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a beginner eager to dive into the world of AI or a seasoned pro looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to get started smoothly. Let's begin by directing our browsers to leonardo.ai. This is your starting point for accessing the incredible tools that Leonardo AI has to offer. Once you've reached the site, you'll need to log in or create an account if you don't already have one. Signing up is a straightforward process, and with your account set up, you'll be ready to explore the full potential of Leonardo AI. Now that we're in, let's get familiar with the workspace. You'll notice it's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Take a moment to navigate through and click around. Getting acquainted with your surroundings will make your experience so much smoother. With the basics under our belt, it's time to put Leonardo AI to work. Focus your attention on the Create button. Once you click it, a few options will present themselves. Today, we are interested in using the image generator, so go ahead and select that option. At this point, you're offered a choice of model or preset to guide your creative process. Picking the right model or preset can make a big difference in the outcome, so choose one that aligns with your vision for the project. This selection supplies the algorithm with the foundational instructions it uses to generate your images. Next, you'll need to set the aspect ratio and size of your image. Think about where and how you'll use this image, as your choice here will affect the final output. This customization step ensures that the image fits your specific needs perfectly, whether it's for a social media post, a print project, or just an experiment. Now comes the creative part. You'll want to compose and paste a clear prompt into the designated field. This is akin to giving the AI a detailed roadmap of what you want it to create. The more precise your prompt, the better the AI can bring your vision to life. Finally, it's time to hit that Generate button. Once you've clicked on it, you'll need a bit of patience as Leonardo AI works its magic. This is the part where the AI processes your instructions and crafts the images. You'll see a batch being completed, and soon enough, your creation will be ready for you to review. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've used Leonardo AI to generate images efficiently. I hope you find this tool as exciting and powerful as I do. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.